What's up, interweb? Okay, Brookie, thought you were finished with all this misery, didn't you? Well, I finally figured it out, and we were on the right track. We just right string, but the wrong yo-yo kind of deal. Um, so let's say that we have this. How many liters of a 10% salt solution? First thing you need to do is take a big slug of your Diet Coke. Oh, that's good. Okay, so how many liters of a 10% salt solution? This is how many liters, that's our X of a 10% salt solution, must be added to an 80 liter, the little lowercase L as liters, must be added to an 80 liter salt solution to get a mixture that is a 30% salt solution. Wouldn't you love to find the people that make these problems up? Oh, boy. Okay, so first of all, we're going to let X equal the amount. Just got a message here. Okay, let X equal the amount or the numbers of liters of a 10% salt solution, right? Right. So as we started to do before, and my brain went numb. You can make a chart, or I'm gonna draw pictures. I have to do that because I'm stupid. Okay, X liters, that's what we want, of a 10% solution. Now, up here it says must be added to. Okay, so how do we write that in math? Oddly enough, plus a. Okay, we got liters up here at the top, so we're going to put liters here. 80 liters of a must be added to get a mixture that is. Am I missing something? Okay, this one I didn't write that. I didn't write it down. Must be added to 35%. I'm sorry. To a 35% salt solution to get a mixture to get. Now, how do we write to get in math? Equals. Okay, so all we do is, now we're going to add these two together, and we get X plus 80. Now we have to put it in parentheses to make it one number. That's what parenthesis does. It makes all that misery one number. And we want a 30% solution. Okay? So now it's just a matter of it, just like what we did last night. We do this times this. And remember, you can't use percent in calculation. You have to use the decimal equivalent. So we're going to move the decimal point over 2 times. So this is 0.1x or 0.10x. You can write the 0, but it doesn't really mean anything. Plus 0.35, okay, times 80, right, equals 30% is 0.30 or just 0.3 times this misery up here, x plus 80, closed. Now we just do the arithmetic. 0.10x remains 0.10. There's nothing we can do there. Now 0.35 times 80 is I think 28 equals. Now we're going to do distributive property of multiplication. We're going to distribute the 0.3 or 0.30 over everything inside of the parentheses. So we get 0.3x or 0.30, doesn't make any difference, plus 0.3 times 80 is 24. Okay, now we have a real simple algebra problem. We've got the variable on one side. Well, actually, they're on both sides. So let's move the variables first. Really doesn't make any difference, but this way it will make it easier. So we're going to subtract 0.10x from each side. Okay, we have 28 equals 0.3 minus 0.1 is 0.2x plus 24. Okay. Now we want x over here, as we say in North Katy, by its own self. Okay, so what do? Subtract the 24 from each side. And we get, say, 28, 24. So you carry the 7, 30 days, has September 4 equals 0.2x. Right? Right. Now we divide everything by 0.2, and we get x equals 20 liters. Okay? That's all there is to it. It's really pretty simple. It's just kind of hard to get our heads wrapped. Now take you another drink of Diet Coke. It's tough to get our heads wrapped around what in the world was going on here. I hope this helps, Brooke. You take care. Be good for a change. Bye-bye. Bye, Bonds.